Another Fear God restock.
Cartier Jones on the soundtrack.
And this was started it all, man. Jerry Lorenzo, Fear God, and Nike. Let's see what's in the box. Y'all remember Fear God Nikes, man? Came with the nice bag. The shoes with the aluminum foil. Look like they came from Mars. This one here is the triple black Fear God Nike joints. I had the orange. I could go in the archives, check that out. I decided to get rid of those because they was as bright as the box I showed y'all. But yeah, this started it all. Jerry Lorenzo is now with Adidas. I'm ecstatic to see what he do there. But I just had to give love to this iconic sneaker. Because you know, once a content creator or a fashion designer leaves Nike, things don't usually go well for them. Unless you're Kanye. So yeah. But today, I'm here to talk about all the restocks from Essential. They keep coming since PacSun, Mr. Porter. They're all getting them. So today, I'm going to show y'all some of the restocks I was able to secure from PacSun. This here is the black Essential Fear God sweats in a large size. And this is one of my favorite ones because as I told y'all in other videos, I was looking for the reflectiveness. And you see right there it says Essential at the bottom there, the knee part. That looks to reflect. I love the jogger material. The long strings. And you have the Essential branding in the private part area. And a nice rubber material. Right here is the shirt to match. Great, great material. Not like Kith, but not far off. You can tell it's definitely like an Italian cotton thickness. It feels to me like a shirt that, like, you know, when you want to show your muscles, like a muscle shirt. It's definitely it. Has the Essential print right there that also looks to reflect a little bit. And this right here is a medium. I wear medium in shirts. I'm 5'7", about 170 pounds. As far as the Essential logo, that's the only one you're going to see. Unless you go to the back. You have it right under the collar. Let's open it up. I love these little packages, by the way, man. This right here. It's so many colors in this. Like, there's so many colors in this color. Help me out, y'all. It's so many sweats and hoodies that's similar to this color. But this right here is the tan sweatpants in a large size. I didn't know if I was getting these or the Seafoams or the khaki. When you online and you're just trying to click because, you know, with so many, you don't want them to sell out. They got the Essential logo at the bottom, just like the black one. Long shoestrings. Long drawstrings, just like the black one. And the Essential logo's in black here. You can see it more because it's tan. And that's there. This here is the hoodie. Let's check out the color. Harvest. This is the Harvest. And you know I own almost every Travis Scott, and almost every Travis Scott, except for the olive green, got a little bit of Harvest in it. The back has the Essential logo huge in pop-up 3D letters. Looks to reflect also. On the front of the hoodie, you have nothing. No drawstrings in a hoodie, similar to your Yeezy hoodie, which I'm drawn accustomed to like. I don't know. Let me know in the comment section below how y'all feel about hoodies with no drawstrings. But yeah, you have the large imprint Fear Guard Essential on the back. Couple more, guys. This here is the Harvest, also in a large size. So it should be the sweats to match the hoodie I just showed you. Yes, sir. I finally got a match, guys. I can't tell y'all how many grays I brought before I realized, yo, I just can't match these things together. I like this Harvest color, man. This is definitely the Travis Scott outfit for any Travis Scott Nike you own. So yeah, that black pops out more in the Harvest colorway, in my opinion. The branding's right there on the crouch part. And we have branding on the left leg sleeve. Jogger type material at the bottom. My only gripe about the Essential pants is the pockets. They are deep, but when you don't have zippers on your sweatpants, I like them to be a lot more deeper, because when you're sitting somewhere, your phone fall out, change fall out, that's an issue. I didn't have this issue yet with the Essential pants, as I got the gray ones with no hoodie because I couldn't find a hoodie to match. But I didn't have that problem, but some do have that problem depending on their hips and their waist size. So yeah, this is the Harvest. These Fear Guard hats have become so popular, man. When they first dropped a couple of months ago, well, you know, the recent drop, and they were priced at like $70. I'm not paying $70 for a fitted hat. But the material is perfect on it. I actually paid $50 for this one. I walked in Foot Locker one day, and they just had colors. I also own an orange one. But right now, go to footlocker.com and feature.com. They're like $34.99 right now. So you can pause this video, go and get this hat for a steal. They have green, the green with the orange, which I own, the Yankee blue, black. It's a whole bunch. On site, when you look at the pictures, it looks like, man, I'm not buying a hat that looks regular. But when you get them in hand, the feel and the look is way different. Trust me. People know this is the Fear Guard hat when they see it, regardless of the color looking like a different hat that we've seen before. This Essential hoodie here is from 2 years ago. Still great, no cotton problem, no rips. The Essential logo is still intact. So when it comes to quality and longevity, I give Essentials an A, man. Shout out to Essentials. Yeah, so this is just a quick video on the Essential restocks. PacSun just dropped a new collection earlier today. I think with the year 1977. I put pictures here. I spent like $400. I don't know what colors I got. I don't know if they match. I know they're my size. I just don't know if they match. That website was so laggy that I was just clicking. When it finally got to me, it was $300. But it is what it is, man. Anything for my guys. Thanks for watching, man. Thanks for the continuous support. I'm going to keep putting out fire content. Just keep watching for your boy. Everybody get rich.
Cartier Jones on the soundtrack.